Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the world of unique and interesting products. Today, we're going to explore the best Chinese Agarwood Incense Kit, a beautifully crafted incense-making set that will elevate your aromatherapy experience. This kit includes everything you need to create your own incense, with a special focus on the ancient art of incense making. With 11 carefully selected pieces, the Chinese Incense Burner Kit is designed to enhance your meditative and calming moments. Inside, you'll find an incense spoon, a fragrant brush, an incense burner shovel, and an incense burner press, all made from high-quality brass. The set also comes with a lotus flower cover for the incense burner, a handle incense seal, a matchbox, and boxed powder bags. What makes this incense kit stand out is the use of premium brass. The materials are carefully crafted by experienced artisans, ensuring that each piece is smooth, well-textured, and long-lasting. The brass elements are designed to not only provide a durable finish but also to maintain the quality of your incense powder, ensuring that it won't stick or clump. This makes the incense-making process smooth and efficient. Using the Chinese Agarwood Incense Burner Kit is incredibly simple and rewarding. Just place your favorite incense powder in the burner and light it up. The incense smoke cascades beautifully from the backflow burner, creating a serene atmosphere wherever you choose to meditate, relax, or practice yoga. The kit helps you experience the soothing benefits of aromatherapy, relieving stress, calming your mind, and boosting your overall well-being. This kit is perfect for any occasion. Whether you're in a tea room, a temple, your bedroom, or even your office, it brings a sense of calm and relaxation. It's ideal for yoga practitioners, meditation enthusiasts, or anyone looking to enhance their space with natural fragrances. The delicate backflow smoke creates a mesmerizing visual that adds a touch of tranquility to your environment. The Chinese Incense Burner Kit with agarwood powder also makes for a perfect gift. Whether for a loved one who enjoys incense or someone who's just starting their aromatherapy journey, this kit provides everything needed to create an authentic incense experience. Plus, the beautiful packaging ensures it arrives as a thoughtful and impressive gift. This product offers much more than just an incense burner. It's a gateway to a peaceful and balanced lifestyle, crafted with love and care. We at Product Critique highly recommend this kit for anyone looking to dive into the world of incense making and experience its many benefits. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations.